Jace, follow teacher. Have the dot there. Bring it to the other dot there. Good job. Bring it straight there. Right, good job. You have another dot. Bring it straight down there. Bring it straight there. And you curve it up here. Curve it. Curve it up. Good, that's the J. Alright, let's write the A, a small circle. Yeah, put your crayon here. Small circle. Good job. And a stroke down to the side. That's the letter A.
Letter A.
Let's write a C.
Yes.
Put your crayon here. Follow me. Come around. Come around. Come around. Touch right there. Good job. And the E. Let's write the E together.
Okay.
Put your crayon here. Stop. Bring it here. No. Put your crayon here. No, you start from there. Come up. Side. Down. Down. And side. 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 Good job. This is Jace.
J.
J. A.
A.
C. E. Is for
Apple.
Jace. Give teacher a high five. Good job, Jace. Okay, so you're following teacher, right? Put your crayon here and bring it here. Good job. Put it right here and bring it down there. Bring it here. Bring it up here. Put your crayon here. Bring it here. Good job. Put a circle. Yes, a circle.
A big circle.
Wow, there's a big circle. All right, and then you put the stroke down to the side.
This is a big circle.
And that's the letter A.
Letter A.
J.
J.
A.
A.
Let's write a C now. Put your crayon here and carve it around and touch there. No, stop. Start from the dot. Stop. Wait, let me show you. Look right here. Put the crayon here. Carve it around.
Teacher wash.
All right.
Then get up.
All right. You look here. Look in the book here.
Then get up on the desk.
Who's on the desk? Prince, you're on the desk?
It's talking.
He's talking?
Yeah.
All right. So I want you to take your crayon and carve it around there.
Teacher, it's not to my crayon.
Carve it. Carve it around. Carry it around. And bring it there. Good job. Let's write the letter E.
E.
Put your crayon here. Bring it to the side. Bring it up. Bring it to the side. Bring it here. Bring it down. Bring it there. And bring it here. Good job. That's the E.